Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Basically, I've told you time without number that your phone is a money bank, and your PC, if you're using a PC, is also a money bank. If you don't know, you won't know. Okay? Now, let me tell you one shocking secret. Basically, right now, you can run ads on Facebook and Google if you have a good card that is accepted by them. You can run ads with zero capital right now. You won't be charged until you reach a particular margin cap. That's when you will be billed. That's basically, you can run ads without paying till you get paid for what you're running the ads for. There is an affiliate system that pays you for sign-ups. Okay, I'm not saying come and buy a product before you get paid. You're being paid for sign-ups. That means each person that follows the link and signs up, you're getting paid. How is that for an ad of $10? Or let me just say $1, and then in return from the $1, you get 100 people following your ad to go sign up. For that 100 people that signs up, from that $1 you have spent based on your keyword and the region you're targeting, are also based on many things you have to set in place, your budget, to make sure your ad spending limit is minimized. All this is what I will be teaching you, okay? So let's say you get 100 people to sign up. From your $1 ad, you are getting $200 because they pay you $2 for sign up. Convincing people to sign up is very easy. I'm also going to teach you how to do that, okay? Why people should sign up is not because they are going to pay any money. They are going to gain. On this platform, you make money watching videos. So they are gaining from signing up. Everyone wants to make money online. I'll also be teaching you that, how to make money watching videos, how to make money with your affiliate link, or how to make money with your earnings on this platform. Growing your YouTube account, growing your social media account. That means you basically use it to run ads for your own content, on social media content. You want to go viral on YouTube, you want to go viral on TikTok, I'll show you how to use your earnings to do these things. Normally, all these put together is a package worth more than $2,000, because basically I'm teaching you how to make $200 from affiliate marketing in less than 5 minutes based on how your ads runs. Okay, in less than 5 minutes you're making $200. It's not an investment. Not give me money and I'll trade on the FX market. No, it's your money you use to run ads. I'm basically going to teach you how to run this ad with zero capital. That means the money you'll be earning from this platform, where they will pay you, is basically what you use in return to be paying for your ads. All this is what I will be teaching you, okay? As in zero capital. All you have to do is have a bank card, a working bank card, and then boom, you're good to go. So I'll be teaching you every step-by-step guide on how to go about this. I charge people as high for helping. I charge people as high as $100. I told you this package worth as high as $2,000, but I charge people as high as $100 for this. But I'm not going to be doing that right now, okay? I'm not going to be doing that right now. What I want to be charging right now is basically as low as $3. Why? It's because, one, I'll be getting when you are signing up from my affiliate link. I've also considered that, like, let me reduce the money because already I'm getting while you're signing up with my affiliate link. And secondly, this economy has made things harder for us. While you watch videos, you'll be earning. I have nothing to lose, okay? You sign up and you start watching videos. I have nothing to lose. It doesn't affect my earnings in any way. We are all earning together. Then the complaints about the economy will reduce. Basically $3. If you're watching this from Nigeria, it's basically, I want to charge you as low as 1,000 naira for this stream, okay? So I'm charging you this low amount because I want you to make yourself useful, make your phone useful. So, okay, so just consider this a support medium for our ads, which we run to make sure you saw this content. Okay, if you have seen this content also from other means, Facebook shares, YouTube, the promotions that have made this content to be self-ranking. All these are expensive, so you're basically paying to acquire a knowledge. In fact, after learning, you will consider yourself cheating me, because it will be shocking that you have started earning from affiliate marketing without spending, without capital. It will be shocking that you just earn watching videos with your data. All these are shocking events that will change your life. Okay, so all these are things you will gain from your 1,000 naira or $3 which you have paid for this training. So I don't see why you turn down this opportunity that will be transforming your life, that will be transforming your thoughts, that will be transforming your dreams, because you don't have 1,000 naira or $3 to pay for the class. Okay, so join this class and start seeing changes. If you don't have the money right now and you haven't joined the group at all, and you want to see more reasons why you should join, WhatsApp number on the screen. Search for capitalbullmarket.com right now and follow the link to join the train. Okay, join the train. You're going to see things you're not going to start from. You are hearing from those. I'll be dropping withdrawal proofs in the group too, and why you should take advantage of this. I've told you again, and I've told you before, I'm going to tell you again, this is not an investment scheme. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's a simple work from home model. It's working. I've been earning from it for the past 6 months, and you'll be earning from it too. Okay, I've told you can start basically affiliate marketing with zero capital. I'm going to teach you how to run ads on Google, Facebook, and YouTube, and also you'll be learning how to start a full functional YouTube channel, TikTok account, Facebook page, any social media account you can think of, and make it grow without spending a penny also. And also, you will also be learning how to make money watching videos with your phone. Just your phone, you earn watching videos online. Okay, so these are things you'll be earning. A very massive, life-changing opportunity. Affiliate marketing, watching videos online, growing your social media handles and your YouTube channel and monetizing them, and also a bonus of how to run working ads with zero capital. The money you'll be making from this system I'm about to show you is what you use to pay for your ads. That means you won't be spending. But if you have funds and you want to kick up, because there are higher margin caps you reach before the ad system, you will be billed for your ad to start billing. So if you want to run massive ads today, you have capital to start everything and start earning. This is for you. Okay, join this training and earn. I've told you, support with 1,000 naira or $3. That's the little you are gonna pay. That's the little you're gonna pay. If you want to pay higher, I will really appreciate it, because at the end of this training, you want to know that you have cheated me. I'm telling you, you will feel like this knowledge is worth more than what I've just paid. Really worth more than okay. This platform is not like other platform where you join, to ask you to bring your money and you invest and then you see your returns. No, all you need to do is use your phone, set up an ad with your link and start earning, or use your phone, start watching video, and your earnings withdraw or you to grow your own channels, social media channels, and grow your social media accounts, promote your products, goods, services, and earn more. Okay, referral is totally optional. Your withdrawal process is simple and quick. All these and free bonus on how to run ads on Google, Facebook, and YouTube for just 1,000 naira or $3. If you want to pay higher, you're welcome. Use the WhatsApp number on the screen to DM me now or search for capitalbullmarket.com. Capital Bull Market. onetime.com. Follow the link and join. You can search for it on Facebook. You can also search for it on Google. Follow the link, join right away. The training is open for everyone, whether you come from another country or you're in the same country. Come and join, and let's learn how to make money together. You're welcome. Expect you in class. Expect to see you. Don't be a doubter that is going to say, I heard it. Why didn't you join? I thought it's not going to work, because there are many people like that. This is not an investment, so you basically have nothing to lose. You're going to earn while you sleep at night, setting up your affiliate system, or while you're stressed out and you watch videos, form videos. You're going to also be earning. You want to earn from your YouTube channel if you want to grow them. You want to earn from your Instagram accounts. You want to earn from basically everything you know how to earn from the internet. Everything you do every day and you have never been paid, you are supposed to be earning from there. So you'll be doing. You're watching and liking videos, you're getting paid. So I don't see why you shouldn't join this thing. Especially in class,